This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Taiwan for the US market. You can get these over at ashadrynoodle.com. This is Asha Dry Noodle with their Hello Kitty and Friends My Melody Friendly Scallion Sauce Dry Noodle. Woo! Says it's 300 calories per serving, and yeah, scallion sauce. That's a fave. Sure is. Here's one of the individual packs. So you boil at least 4 cups of water. And yeah, you take this out. You don't put that in there, but you put. Oops. Come on. That's what happens when I don't open the pack all the way. There we go. There's the noodle. We got 3 minutes to boil. So, I thought I would start this episode with complaining about something. Not about these noodles, but I'm going to complain about the grocery store and things that happen within. So, we go in the grocery store and I'll be shopping and stuff, and all of a sudden somebody, generally it's a lady, I don't know that I've ever heard a dude do it, but I'm sure there's dudes that will do this. And they go, "Oh, let me sneak by you real quick." And then they don't really, while they're saying that, they shove in front of you and grab an item and go on their way. Now, this happened to me basically twice the other day, and the first time it happened, it was irritating. The second time it happened, I was like, I've got to come up with something to say to people when they do this. Now, first off, if you think about it, the statement, "I'm going to sneak by you," that's silly. To sneak, pussyfoot, skulk, as you might recognize that reference. But anyways, what's the first thing you do when you want to sneak around somebody? You try to be quiet. You try to do it without drawing attention to yourself. But what do these people do? No, they don't do that. They announce that they're gonna sneak by you. Fail. So next time, I really thought long and hard about it. Because I do crap like that. Anyways, so I was thinking, what do I say? What can I have locked and loaded in my arsenal of witty comebacks to use if someone throws out, "Oh, I'm just going to sneak by you really quick"? And I was thinking, what would Picard say? It had to be kind of gruff, but it had to be quick. So basically what I could say, now I'm kind of trying to remember what I was going to say. That's it. "Oddly sneaking if you announce yourself." Perfect, right? They're like, well, it's God, I was going to grab something. I wasn't sitting there going, which one do I get? Oh, do I want this one? I don't know. I'm just going to stand here for 10 minutes in the way of everybody. I wasn't. I just wanted to grab something. But every time I went to do it, somebody was getting pushy and crap. So all I can say is this. Hey, Miles. Ladies and gentlemen, the king of all children, Miles Edward Matthew Frederick, the king of all children.
Hello, nice people.
How you doing, Miles? Are you having fun today?
Yes.
It's Fun Friday. Here's a banana. There you go. And off he goes to do his banana-ing. Alright. So we drain this stuff. Whoa, that could have been bad. Alright. Drain our noodle. To avoid any possibility of damage to that nice cookware I got for my lady that I'm using. I'm going to use this pot because it's mine and I don't care if it gets scratched up. But I don't really scratch up. This pot is great. Let me see right now. Somebody mentioned I endorsed things. I don't really do product endorsements. But I'm going to say I endorse these pots. I used these pots for all my life. My mom used them. She got me this one, I believe. I don't remember. But, what are they? Farberware saucepans. I swear by this stuff. I really should get a new one. I should continue the tradition of buying those products. I don't know why I like these pots. I like them. I've probably used this one to do at least 3,000 reviews. I've had this one forever. What's nice about it, it's got these little things on either end for, pouring so it doesn't make a mess. Even though I can still make a mess. Alright. So this is a scallion oil noodle, so most likely it's got a soy sauce component and then, a scallion / green onion / spring onion oil. I've seen scallion oil be made in Taiwan and it's an amazing thing. Hot room. Smells very oniony. Cheers. I'll have to say, not as expected. Still good. Okay. Kind of a different scallion oil than I'm used to. But that's okay. So this one, oh, there's guinea pigs in play. Our little black guinea pig, Petunia. She's the funniest thing. Right while I was waiting for this water to boil, my wife and I were like watching the guinea pigs because that's kind of fun. They're like goldfish, you want to hang out and look at them. Oh, look what they're doing. They do crazy business. And they did, I'm almost tempted just to put scallion on this. That almost seems like fitting. Just go very, very basic and just use scallion. Like so. Well, I can't just use scallion. I gotta use sesame seeds too. I think that's fair. Yeah. Petunia literally jumped straight up. She was like boing, and then she did it again. So boing. That was fun. Yeah. Rotation time. Well, thank you very much for joining me. The next one you're gonna see is this one. It came out of a new Mind Crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. This is made by Kenko Foods. This is Nishio Kawamura Natural Noodle Miso Ramen. So you'll see that tomorrow. Have a good one. Do what you do. Bye-bye.